Hello, Namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal, and here's a big international update that could impact global security. There are fresh concerns about a possible weapon deal between China and Iran. According to reports from US intelligence, China may be preparing to send a new air defense system to Iran in the coming days. This information is being described as highly sensitive and has raised serious concerns in the United States. Sources say that China could use indirect roads, possibly through other countries, to secretly transport these weapons and hide their origin. The focus is on the shoulder-fired anti-aircraft missile systems, also known as manpads. These systems are small, portable, and extremely dangerous for aircraft. Why is this so important? Because air defense systems have already played a major role in the tensions between the US and Iran. If Iran receives more advanced systems now, it could create new challenges for American military operations, especially for warplanes operating in the region. However, there is no official confirmation yet. The US State Department and the White House have not responded to these claims so far. At the same time, China has strongly denied the allegations. A spokesperson from the Chinese embassy in Washington said that China has not supplied weapons to any country involved in conflict. They also stated that China follows international rules and warned against making baseless accusations. This development becomes even more interesting because of upcoming high-level talks. US President Donald Trump is expected to meet Chinese President Xi Jinping next month. And now, just before these important meetings, such reports are surfacing, raising question about timing and global strategy. So, is China really sending weapons to Iran, or is this just intelligence speculation? For now, the truth remains unclear, but the world is watching closely. Stay tuned with KTV India for more such content. This is Varsha Venugopal signing off for the day.